Dear students, now let us learn to draw more than type ogive. Here, look at this table. We have to draw more than type ogive for this cumulative frequency distribution table. This type of table is called more than type cumulative frequency distribution table, because in the first column it is given more than or equal to, and the numbers in the next column will be cumulative frequencies. Remember, if in the first column more than or less than is given, then the numbers in the next column will be cumulative frequencies. So, here more than is given. So, in the next column these are cumulative frequencies. When the class intervals are given in the first column, then the numbers in the second column will be frequencies, but here more than is given. So, numbers in the next column are cumulative frequencies. Now, let us rewrite this to draw a graph. Let us rewrite a table. First column is here profit, and the next column number of shops are given. These are the cumulative frequencies. So, the next column is cumulative frequency. Now, write the table as it is: more than or equal to 5, 30, more than or equal to 10, 28, more than or equal to 15, 16, more than or equal to 20, 14, more than or equal to 25, 10, more than or equal to 30, 7. So, this much is given. Now, to plot the graph, to plot the point, we need the pair of points, that is called ordered pair. So, let us write the ordered pair of lower limits with their corresponding cumulative frequencies. These are the lower limits. When more than is given, these are the lower limits. When less than is given, this will be the upper limits. When more than is given, these are the lower limits. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 are the lower limits. 30, 28, 16, 14, 10, 7 are the corresponding cumulative frequencies. Now, let us write the ordered pairs to plot the points for the graph. Now, pair is lower limit with their corresponding cumulative frequencies. Now, for lower limit 5, corresponding cumulative frequency is 30. So, 5, 30, then for lower limit 10, cumulative frequency is 28. So, 10, 28, then 15, 16, then 20, 14, then 25, 10, then 30, 7. So, these are the ordered pairs of lower limits with their corresponding cumulative frequencies. Now, by using these points, we have to plot the points and then we have to draw the graph. Now, let us draw graph for this more than type cumulative frequency distribution table. Take a graph sheet, draw x axis and y axis. This is x axis and vertical line is y axis, and this is the origin. Now, we have to choose a scale for x axis and y axis. Before that, here to draw the graph, lower limits are represented along the x axis and cumulative frequencies are represented along the y axis. We have to represent lower limits along x axis, cumulative frequencies along y axis. Now, choose a suitable scale to plot the points. Here along the x axis 1 centimeter is equal to, this much is 1 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter is equal to, observe the points 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The points vary from 5 to 30. So, we can choose a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Now, choose a suitable scale for y axis also. Observe the points 30, 28, 16, 14, 10, 7. So, the points varies from least 7 to highest 30. If it choose 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, the graph will be very small, that is 10, 20, 30 only till here. So, we can choose a scale 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So, let y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. You can choose different scale for x axis and y axis, no need of taking same scale. You can choose different scale. Now, write here along the x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So, least number is 5. So, I will start from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Along the y axis, we have chosen scale 5 units only. Least number is 7. So, we can start to write from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, highest number is 30. So, we have to write till 30. Now, let us plot the points. First point is 5, 30. 5, 30. So, along x axis 5, along y axis 30. So, the point is here. This is 5, 30. And the next point is 10, 28. Along the x axis 10, along the y axis 28. Here we have chosen scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So, 2 millimeter is equal to 1 unit. So, 28 is 4 lines below 30. This is 29 and this is 28. It is 10, 28. The next point is 15, 16. 15, 16. That is 2 lines above 15 along the y axis is 16. 16 is here, that is 15, 16. Now, the next point is 20, 14. 20, 14. That is 2 lines below 15, that is 20, 14. Next point is 25, 10. So, 25, 10 is here. Next point is 30, 7. So, 30, 7, 5, after 2 lines 6, then 7, fourth line after 5. 30, 7. Now, we finished plotting the points. Now, we have to join the points. You have to join the points with hand, do not use scale. Join the points, draw a smooth hand curve. This graph is called ogive. This graph is called ogive, and the curve is called cumulative frequency curve or an ogive of the more than type. This is called more than type ogive or cumulative frequency curve of more than type. This curve is called ogive. You have to draw smooth hand curve, do not use scale. Now, look at this frequency distribution table. Observe the difference between the previous table we have seen and this table. This is frequency distribution table because here class intervals are given with their corresponding frequencies. If the class intervals are given and the numbers in the next column are frequencies, not cumulative frequencies, these are the frequencies, and here these are the class intervals. Now, we have to convert this table into more than type cumulative frequency distribution table, because to draw ogive we need cumulative frequency distribution table. Now, let us convert this table into more than type cumulative frequency distribution table. Now, the first column is marks and the next column will be cumulative frequency, and the third column is ordered pair of lower limit with their corresponding cumulative frequencies. Now, we want more than type cumulative frequency distribution table. So, we have to write the lower limits, that is more than or equal to 0. How many scores more than or equal to 0? That is, we have to add all these, that is 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7, that is 5 plus 3 8, 12, 15, 18, 22, 29. So, more than or equal to 0, cumulative frequency is 29. Now, more than or equal to 10, subtract 5 from 29, you will get how many scores are more than or equal to 10, that is 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7, or you have to subtract 5 from 29, that is 24. Then more than or equal to 20, that is 24 minus 3. So, 21. More than or equal to 30, that is 21 minus 4, that is 17. Again more than or equal to 40, see here 17 minus 3, that is 14. More than or equal to 50, that is 14 minus 3, 11. More than or equal to 60, that is 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. This is called cumulative frequency distribution table of more than type, or you can start to add from here. If you want more than type cumulative frequency distribution table, start to add the frequencies from bottom, that is here it is, here to write 7, then 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 4 21, 21 plus 3 24, then 24 plus 5 21 29. So, you can start to add the frequencies from the bottom. So, you will get more than type cumulative frequency distribution table. Now, to plot the points, write the pairs of lower limits with their corresponding cumulative frequencies. That is, first pair is 0, 29, then 10, 24, 20, 21, 30, 17, 40, 14, 50, 11, then 60, 7. So, these are the ordered pairs to plot the points. Now, we have to draw graph for this cumulative frequency distribution table. Now, let us draw graph for this more than type cumulative frequency distribution table. Take a graph sheet, draw x axis and y axis. X axis, origin and y axis. Now, choose a suitable scale for x axis and y axis. Now, along x axis we are plotting lower limits and along y axis we are plotting cumulative frequencies. Now, choose a suitable scale for x axis. Look at the lower limits. Here lower limits varies from 0 to 60. So, we can choose a scale x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, because here difference between two lower limits is 10. So, x axis scale for x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Along the y axis, observe the point. Here the points are 29, 24, 21, 17, 14, 11 and 7. It varies from 7 to 29. So, we can choose a scale y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units, because maximum number is 29. So, we can choose 5 units. Now, write here along the x axis 10 units. So, this is 0, origin is 0, next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, okay, we need only till 60. Now, along y axis we have chosen a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, plot the points. First point is 0, 29. Along the x axis 0, along the y axis we have to go till 29, that is 2 lines below 30. Here it is. This is 0, 29. Now the next point is 10, 24. It is 10, 24. 24 is here. Ten, 24. Then 20, 21. 20, 21. That is here. Now the next pair is 30, 17, 30, 17. This is 16, this is 17. 30, 17. Next 40, 14. 40, 14, then 50, 11, 50, 11, 11 is here, then 60, 7, 60, 7. Now join the points with a smooth hand curve. This curve is called more than type ogive or more than type cumulative frequency curve.